everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create your own private server in Roblox. It's super easy and you can do it in just a few minutes. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Roblox app and then make sure you are logged in into your account before continuing. And then once you're in, just head over to the games tabs and choose any games where you want to make your private server like this. And then after you open the game page, just look for just tap on the person icon or server icon in here. Just tap on it like this, and then in here, and then just tap on create private server like this. And then next you will get info that shows whether that game allows a private server. Some are maybe some are free, while others might cost a few Robux. If it's free, just create. You can go ahead and create one right away. And if it's paid, you will need to confirm the purchase using your Robux balance. Next, just type in name for your server on here, something fun or unique name, and after that just tap on buy now. And once your private server is created, it will appear under the servers tab like this. From here you can manage who can join. Just tap on three dots icon and then tap on configure. In here you will see settings to make it friends only, or in here you can add server members. Just type their ID, name, and even you can also generate a server links. Just tap on generate links and then just copy it and then just share that link with your friends, and they will be able to join with your private server instantly. And then to enter your private server, just go back to game page and then just tap on join on your server names. And okay, that's how you can create a private server in Roblox. It's quick and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.